seeing duplicate marketplace listings hurting your sales? Here's the cleanup trick. Are these your duplicates or someone copying you? Let me know in the comments below. For your duplicates, edit the extra listings to say duplicate, then delete after 24 hours. If others copied you, report listings using item already sold option. It is the fastest removal path. To prevent future dupes, always save drafts instead of reposting identical items. Change main photo angle slightly. Facebook's algorithm detects identical images. Fixed your listing. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.